Boom, what's up, JK Adventure fans? Y'all already know what it is. It is day 3, tres, trois, depending on where you're from. That's the only languages I know of Vlogmas. Look at my guy. Look at my guy back there.
No, Blue, those aren't your balls.
Not his balls. He got no balls. It's the end of the day. I didn't get to vlog. I kind of forgot. I'm new at this Vlogmasness. Like, hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Follow him on TikTok. JK Adventures.
Oh, Boogie.
He's pretty. He's gonna be famous. But day 3, went to work. I went and rode my BMX bike. You'll probably see some clips because I'm gonna start riding a little bit more. If you guys haven't noticed, I got fat.
We both did.
I got that COVID fat, but it happened last year and maybe the year before that.
But it's COVID fat.
It's COVID fat. So yeah, working out. Juanita got home from work and kind of just started editing day 1, so that's
day 2.
Day 2? I don't know. But day 3, hopefully you guys have a good time because right now it's super, super cold. Super cold for Florida.
Why are you eating my hair?
Yum, yum, yum. For Florida, 60 degrees, 50 degrees, that's super cold. We start to like lose our minds and go crazy and wear like ridiculous outfits thinking that it's like 0 degrees. But don't forget to like, subscribe, make sure you comment on what you think about the Vlogmas, and also share it. Share it, show some love. It's been a minute. It's a tongue twister nowadays, but
hi guys.
Yo. So day 3 Vlogmas. We in the car, one of our signature locations, and I'm taking Juanita to a little surprise spot. She's been there every single year, but we like it. It's cute. It's very well known for having Christmas decorations. It's a neighborhood that apparently when you move in the documents, oh, that's a rough turn. In the documents, it specifically says you like have to decorate for the holidays. So it's super weird. I don't know how true it is, but we're on our way. It's early, so not all of the houses might have lights.
Maybe we can go back like.
But yes, I do plan on going back and checking it out a little bit more closer to Christmas. It's cute.
Like Kirk said, we go there every year. I think for the past like few years. It's really cute. They even got like their own like radio station and everything. Like it's cute. It's super cute.
But after the lights, a must is we're getting MCRIBs. And if you haven't got a MCRIB, you should see the grin on my face right now. It's one of the best besides Big Mac. If you want to debate this, leave a comment.
I'm a quarter pounder girl.
Yeah.
I hate the Big Macs.
Well, anywho, MCRIB coming right after this.
Maybe I'll give you my reaction because I've never had one in my life.
Oh, that would be good.
I've never tried one.
Ooh.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to the lights and we'll catch you guys there shortly.
Can I get 3 McRib sandwiches?
3?
Yes, please.
Gabriel?
And a large French fry.
Yes. Presto, thank you.
Thank you.
We made it to McDonald's. You guys saw Kirk ordered our food. I got french fries.
They better make this saucy.
Hurry up and give me my food.
They're making these fresh.
Ask for extra sauce. Ask for extra sauce.
Can I get 3 barbecue sauce, please? 3 barbecue? Yes, please. Oh, yeah, they're all in there, boy. Barbecue.
Is the McRib sauce different?
I don't know. I don't think so. 1 more. Thank you. Oh, sweet. Thank you. Have a good night.
Pop it in the bag. Pop it in the bag so Courtney can do it home.
Is that sterile?
So we're on our way home, guys.
To get a Juanita reaction.
Yes, I'm gonna give a real raw, unfiltered reaction when we get home. This is like, this right now makes me feel like home videos. Like people that do home videos, is this what it's like? Like, sweetie, let me get your reaction.
I guess so.
Like a home, this is a home video.
Boom, this is what it looks like. If you've never seen one, we'll probably put a picture of it on the screen.
Presentation's alright.
It's just a pork patty on a bun with barbecue sauce. All right, let's get this. Unbiased, never had it before.
Okay, do I need a pickle in it?
There's pickle in it. You don't like pickle? Why is he eating plastic? What are your thoughts?
This is what you've been craving about.
What?
It tastes like their breakfast sausage patty.
I've never had
with
that.
barbecue sauce. Like if you have a... Yes, you do. You have the sausage McMuffins.
It doesn't taste like a sausage McMuffin.
No, the meat tastes like the sausage that's on it. Get a breakfast sausage sandwich tomorrow.
I might have to.
So you can taste the meat. Blue, get down, please.
Other than her being completely rude to the McRib, I thought it was fantastic. It's so delicious to me. And I recommend it.
Okay. So final thoughts. It's alright. It's alright. Try the sausage McMuffin meat and then try the McRib. It's the same, it just has barbecue sauce on it. Better yet, get a sausage McMuffin.
Well, this is like all pork.
Get a sausage McMuffin from McDonald's, Blue, and put barbecue sauce on it.
It would be a close second. It would be close.
Come here, Blue.
It would be close. Good boy.
Sorry, I took like a huge bite.
I know, and we're trying to do an outro.
Anyways, yeah, so those are my final thoughts, but I guess we're gonna end out the vlog here. So before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
And no comments on me wearing the same shirt, okay? It's a clean shirt. I got 2 actually. In black and purple, so what?
Oh, you wore that one yesterday.